Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manually remove files from Amazon Kindle. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, navigate to the settings. Then enter device options. Right here we can find storage management and manual removal. Then you will see all of the categories of files that you can remove, like books, documents, samples, and others. I have them unlocked. Then click on the category and select the thing that you want to remove. Then confirm it with remove, and it should be gone from your device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.